Good morning, children. In part 8 of climate chapter, we have discussed about the Arabian Sea branches bifurcation. Again, the Arabian Sea branch has divided into three branches. One of the branch hits Kerala and the second branch hits Mumbai coast and gives rainfall to the Chotanagpur plateau. Now, at the end of today's class, we will be able to continue that concept and also the distribution of monsoons. Okay? Let's go. So, as we all have understood about the first and second part of the Arabian Sea branch, now the third part of the Arabian Sea branch strikes the coast of Saurashtra and then Kutch. It passes over the western Rajasthan along the Aravalli range. It gives the scanty rainfall in these regions because the Aravalli range lies parallel to the southwest monsoons. The Arabian Sea branch joins the Bay of Bengal branch in Punjab and Haryana and gives rainfalls to the western Himalayas. Now, the Bay of Bengal branch is directed towards the coast of Myanmar and parts of southeast Bangladesh. However, owing to the pressure of the Arkan Hills along the coast of Myanmar, which you can see here, a large part of the branch of monsoons is deflected towards the Indian subcontinent. The monsoons therefore enter the West Bengal and Bangladesh from the south and southeast directions. Now, this branch bifurcates into two branches, and one moves along the Ganga plain and the other one along the Brahmaputra valley. The one that moves along the Ganga plain starts giving rainfall along the northern plains. It gives heavy rainfall in West Bengal, but by the time the winds reach Punjab and Haryana, they go dry. That's why they receive very little rainfall from these winds. During this particular season, Kolkata receives about 120 centimeters of rainfall, Patna about 1 or 2 centimeters of rainfall, Allahabad 91 centimeters, and Delhi 56 centimeters of rainfall. The second branch, which comes in the northern direction, gives heavy rainfall in the Garo and Kashi Jaintia hills of Meghalaya. Now, the Cherrapunji and Mawsyn Ram that are located on the crest means the south of the southern range of the Kashi hills receives the highest average annual rainfall in the world. That's why Mawsyn Ram is the wettest place in the world, children. So, we conclude that the direction of the winds received from the southwest monsoons is largely governed by the relief and topography. Once again, I repeat, relief refers to the variation in height, low or high. Okay, variation in height. Relief refers to the variation in height, and wherever there are mountains, the relief is high, and wherever there are plains and plateaus, the relief is relatively low. And topography refers to the nature and slope of the land. Okay. Now, the Tamil Nadu coast remains dry during the season. This is because Tamil Nadu coast is located parallel to the Bay of Bengal branch of the southwest monsoons. Further, it lies in the rain shadow region of the Arabian Sea branch of the southwest monsoons. Now, if you look at the onset of the southwest monsoon rains in India, the dates of the rainfall strikes the coast of Kerala on 1st June, then it is Mumbai 10th June. By the time it covers entire India, it is 15th July. So, with this, I conclude today's part, children. Thank you.